Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm here for presentate my industrial work practice report. And before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Sultan Mirzam Ambari, and I'm from Madinatulquran Vocational High School, and I'm 12 RPL of class. So the background of internship. Internship was implemented for sharpen student knowledge and one of school vision and mission. And the purpose of internship is preparation. So to prepare student to face the business world and industry world. So what is the objectives and benefits of internship? So for the student is to train the cooperation and make the way of think of the student, and for the school to raise school image and the strengthen the relationship of school and the company. So industrial work practice. The time it was started 26 July till 22 October, and the place is at Telkom Indonesia, Geger Kalong Hilir Street, City of Bandung, West Java. So Telkom Indonesia is a BUMN company and was founded in 1882. It was a private company and became a state company in 1961 until now, and now become a seventh biggest asset of BUMN company. So what is the Telkom Indonesia vision and mission? Implementation akhlak in internal audit. What is akhlak? And akhlak is amanah or trust, competent, harmonious, loyalty or loyal, adaptive, and collaborative. So the service procedure in Telkom Indonesia, my daily activities, I work. It was started at 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. and every day, Monday till Friday, and because of pandemic, we got work from home twice and go to work 3 times here. So we go to work, or I go to work Monday, Wednesday, and Friday only. Okay. So this is my practice activities, my internship activities for 3 months. In the first week, there was an introduction to my guider and given an assignment. Second, because the first week we online, and the second week we went to Telkom Indonesia, so we had a chance to introduction to the work environment, and also we were doing our task, our assignment. And the third week, assignment collection, so we collect the test to my guider and giving a next assignment. And the fourth, task work, so we were doing again our previous task and filling out the internship book, and this did repeatedly from July, August, September to October, like this again, assignment, task work, next assignment, just like that for 3 months. And this is my present activity photos. This is my task work when we were doing our job or our work, and this school visit and journal book filling. Field of work, so became a programmer, and theoretical basis I use Laravel, Bootstrap, Node.js, and CSS during internship. So 2 materials that we need at the internship. First, we need, of course, a laptop to work to working on the projects that we got from our guider, and phone for documented my work and communicate to our guider, and Wi-Fi. So this is the task that I obtained during internship. The first, send ESM message from the web using the Nextmo API in Node.js. Second, designing events on the Antares website. Third, designing footer and navbar on Antares website. Fourth, designing documentation on Antares website. And fifth, change documentation using Laravel. So from the task number 1, we were using Node.js. So the step is create an official account on the Nextmo website, and we register our phone number and our email. And the second, creating a simple view. So the phone number and the field of the message. And then the third, we create a function from the view. So when the send message was pushed, so we made a function of that button. And the fourth, connect with Nextmo account. So we will get API key and API secret when we create the Nextmo account. So we put it on the code. And the fifth, enter number that registered. So this number is registered was registered at the Nextmo website. And the last, this is the result. So when we entered the number phone and the field of message, and when we click the button, so this is the result. So we will get a message at our phone. And this is the test number 2, 3, 4, the second, third, and fourth. So we were using CSS. The first step, we had to claim project from Antares and open file CSS from the project. And then I think this was the hardest thing at the test, because there were about 9,000 line code, and we had to change it as desired, as ordered. So we had to find it. Yeah. So, and this is the result. This is for my event, footer and navbar, and the documentation. And for task number 5, task fifth task, Laravel, where we were using Laravel, Bootstrap, and CSS. And we were using MVC or model view controller. And the step, we take the file documentation. So after we clone the project, yeah, like before, and we take the file of documentation, and we had to sort about 5,000 line code. We have to sort it to a couple of parts. And the step, we had to make the function of each button. Then for we make a controller and routing, and make a controller function to connect it to the views. So my conclusion and suggestion based on my experience during internship at Telkom Indonesia, the conclusion that I got in Telkom Indonesia, first I got skills, of course, to improve my skills, and relationship from the inside or outside the telecom company. And the third, I got internship experience. Yeah, I think this is the important thing, that I got experience. And the suggestion, make sure that you to check your condition laptop, and then check your laptop specification. And because of pandemic, don't forget health protocol, always wash your hands and distance and using mask. Thank you. I think that's all from me. Sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.